Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to copy workflows across sub-accounts in GoHighLevel. This is incredibly useful when you're managing multiple client accounts and want to replicate your proven automation sequences without rebuilding them from scratch each time. First, head over to the GoHighLevel login page and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to make sure you're working from the right starting point. If you manage multiple agencies or sub-accounts, look at the top of your screen where you'll find the account switcher. Click on it and select the source sub-account that contains the workflow you want to copy. This ensures you're pulling from the correct location. Now that you're in the right sub-account, navigate to the left-hand sidebar and click on Automation. This will bring up your workflows area where all your automation sequences are stored. Take a moment to scan through the list and locate the specific workflow you want to duplicate. Whether it's a lead nurture sequence, appointment reminder system, or sales follow-up, finding the right one is crucial before proceeding. Once you've identified your workflow, look for the three-dot menu next to it, sometimes labeled as the Actions menu. Click on it to reveal several options. From this menu, select Copy to Sub-account or the equivalent option. This is the feature that allows you to transfer your workflow structure to another location within your GoHighLevel setup. A new window will appear asking you to specify where this workflow should go. In the Destination drop-down menu, browse through your available sub-accounts and select the one where you want this workflow copied. Make sure you're choosing the correct destination, as this determines where your automation will be deployed. Finally, confirm your selection by clicking Submit or Copy. GoHighLevel will now process your request and duplicate the workflow into the selected sub-account. The workflow will carry over all its triggers, actions, and conditions, saving you significant time and ensuring consistency across your client accounts. And there you have it, a straightforward way to replicate your workflows across different sub-accounts in GoHighLevel, making your agency operations much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.